Welcome to Adalira's Design. Before starting, I recommend you to watch a full video and after follow step by step. Let's start Doll Shorts Easy Tutorial. In description you can find the link to free pattern of 1/6 scale shorts version 1. You will need thin fabric and thread, pattern, needles and pins, chalk or dry soap, scissors, 3 mm white satin ribbon. Sewing machine optional. Seed beads optional. Step 1. Print or copy pattern according to your doll or action figure measurements. Step 2. Trace pattern on fabric. For my color infusion doll, I used B12.8 plus size. Step 3. Lay out pattern and cut fabric. You should have 2 back pieces, 2 front pieces, shield, waistband, interfacing of waistband, and ribbon. Step 4. Sew darts to front parts to back parts with backstitch. Step 5. Iron darts toward central stitch. Step 6. Sew shield, fold piece in half. Sew both sides with backstitch. Step 7. Cut, turn right side out and iron. To make a neat corner, use scissors. Now we have this pretty shield. Step 8. Tack shield to front with running stitch. Now you need to tack front and back, back and back, back and front. Then sew 4 seams with back stitch or sewing machine. I recommend you to use Microtex 70. On your sewing machine, choose straight stitch, length 2, and needle in center position. Here we go. Shield and front seam, front and back seam, central back seam, back and front seam. Step 9. Cut back side layout. Step 10. Make a fold on front left piece and sew. Use straight stitch for sewing machine or back stitch for hand sewing. Step 11. Tuck waistband and interfacing with pins. Sew a straight stitch or back stitch for hand sewing. Step 12. Cut waistband layout as I'm doing in this video. You should have 1, 2, 3, 4 cuts. Step 13. Tuck and sew waistband to shorts. Step 14. Cut ribbon and sew it to the waistband. It is very tricky to attach ribbon, but you can do it. Ladder or invisible stitch will be best option. Step 15. Sew the waistband to the underside and iron shorts. Seam should be right here. I tacked waistband with pins and now I'm going to make invisible stitch. It looks very neat and nice after iron. Step 16. Fold and iron hem. Step 17. To prevent fraying edges, I fold the seam allowance and sew with invisible stitch. Step 18. Here I am showing you folded hem with invisible stitch. Step 19. Optional, you can skip. But if you want to spend a little bit more time and make your shorts look gorgeous, decorate it with seed beads.
I believe you'll be somebody one I could call one. You gon' be my only, only. I can see that you were watching. I'ma make you fall in love. Just sit back and watch me work, 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 daddy. Watch me while I work, work, work. Yeah.
Now you can see my results. Step 20. Sew central front seam. Step 21. Sew seam in between legs. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial and let me know what you want to see in next video. Please subscribe for more videos. Like, share, comment, save.